Virgin birth recorded in crocodile for first time ever.
Here's a summary of the article.
Scientists have announced the first ever recorded case of a crocodile virgin birth after a female that had been isolated for 16 years was discovered with a clutch of eggs. The American crocodile was taken into captivity in 2002 when she was 2 years old and placed in an enclosure at Parque Reptilandia in Costa Rica. In January 2018, a clutch of 14 eggs was found in the enclosure. In a study published on Wednesday in the journal Biology Letters, researchers said 7 of the 14 eggs produced by the crocodile in Costa Rica were viable. Zoo caretakers incubated these eggs, but they didn't hatch, so after 3 months, they opened the eggs. The contents of 6 of the eggs was not discernible, but one contained a fully formed, but non-viable fetus. They also said the discovery of a virgin birth in a crocodile means FP has now been found in both birds, which descended from dinosaurs, and a crocodilian, suggesting a common evolutionary origin.
This post received a score of 27,000, with an upvote ratio of 91%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
Greater than researchers said 7 of the 14 eggs produced by the crocodile in Costa Rica were viable. Zoo caretakers incubated these eggs, but they didn't hatch, so after 3 months, they opened the eggs. The contents of 6 of the eggs was not discernible, but one contained a fully formed, but non-viable fetus genetically identical to the mother. Not much of a virgin birth. More like a virgin miscarriage.
They can populate a space without anything other than a single female. There is even a species that is entirely made up of females capable of constant self-cloning. They simulate mating behavior and then the recipient partner will go lay eggs, while the dominant partner will often then end up mounted herself seconds later. There's been quite a few cases in media, but only a few actually result in offspring.
Isn't this the story behind Jurassic Park? They only bred females but life finds a way.
Oh, it's 100% explicitly explained as a thing in the novel, yes. The movie makes it seem like gene mutation makes magic gender-bending dinosaurs, but Crichton is a nerd for cloning, so he went hard in the book. ETA. Folks, I love JP. I became a reptile biologist because of it. I'm just saying the movie has less details on the process of parthenogenesis than the book because it's Hollywood and they gloss over stuff. I'm well aware they mentioned frog DNA.
I do see where they are coming from though, since some fish have this capability, like some clownfish and gobies.
In the book it was the amphibian DNA they added to fill the gaps.
The second coming will be a bit different than expected.
Jesus took, after a while, crocodile a little too literally.
Jesus is a reptilian overlord confirmed.
Apparently the Jesus lizard is a real thing.
Pretty decent noise rock band too.
Does the child look like any of the zookeepers?
Holy hell, man.
New crocodile just dropped.
Actual reptile.
Virgin sacrifice anyone?
Zookeeper went on vacation, never came back.
Oh, someone came all right.
None of the eggs hatched. This is the most important TLDR that's not in here.
Wait. How were 7 of the 14 eggs considered viable if they didn't hatch? Also, didn't we already know this from gene manipulation causing crocodile scales to form bird feathers? Keratins are only found in birds and reptiles.
Greater than zoo caretakers incubated these eggs, but they didn't hatch, so after 3 months, they opened the eggs. The contents of 6 of the eggs was not discernible, but one contained a fully formed, but non-viable fetus. Genetic analysis showed it was almost identical to the mother.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.